Hey guys, let's see how you can have your Tapo C260 working on a MacBook. It's very simple. You can just install the app on the MacBook, the same app that you're using here on your phone. So it's super simple. If you have your phone and you have the Tapo app, you're good to go. If you don't, just go to the App Store, look for Tapo, the TP-Link Tapo app, download it, create your account and log in and just add the camera here to the app, right? So here I have the 260 already. If you didn't have your camera working, just watch a video here in the channel where I show how to add the 260 to the app, all right? As long as you have it working here, you're good to go. Just come here to your MacBook and go to the App Store and do the same. Just look for the Tapo app and you can just download and install it, and then you can just open it up and log in with your account, the same account that you log in your cell phone. And here you have all the cameras available, or all the devices from Tapo available. It's the same way that you see on your phone. So pretty simple. Then you can come here and look for your camera. There we go, Tapo C260. I double click and I can see the camera live. And I can control everything from here, even the PT. You see here that I can just select PT and control using here this arrows, right? And I'm good to go. I can just take a screenshot. I can just do the manual recording, talk to somebody close to the camera, turn on and turn off the alarm, and also see more than one camera at the same time. I see here on 4 screen, I can add more cameras like this Tapo C210, the Tapo C310, and the Tapo C400, any camera that you have available, and I can see all of them here at the same time, okay? Very simple. Basically, that's the way you can have your Tapo C260 working on a MacBook, and you can watch from everywhere as long as you have internet available. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, also your thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.